Hi, this is Marius Pousson. I'm the CEO and President of Aladon. We focus on physical asset management and risk and reliability treatment of all assets for organizations. Aladon is a thoughtware company as well as a software company. Our main purpose is to design and develop methodologies, and we certify industry professionals around the globe in delivering training and consulting services in our methodologies. So Aladon is known to most people for the RCM2 methodology that was started by our founder, John Mowbray. Since then, we have ventured into other methodologies: reliability-centered design, reliability-centered spares, condition assessment, the risk-based RCM, and then risk-based inspection. Organizations approach us when they have reliability issues or compliance issues and ask us to come and help them to identify the areas where they can improve. We help customers solve their reliability issues by reducing their risk, improving reliability, and lowering cost. Aladon is an organization with 30+ years experience. We work in 100+ countries in many asset-intensive industries like utilities, mining, production, oil and gas, with some of the largest organizations in the world.